In today's video, I'm going to represent to you a new method in which is going to make you earn a lot of money. And I'm speaking to one of the best strategies that you have ever seen before, guys. For this, you only need your laptop, a good and a strong internet connection, and start working by anywhere. You are going to get a lot of profits like never before, because here you are going to see the highest commissions. This probably have never came up in your mind because I am going to show you today. So this strategy of affiliate marketing, it's going to save your time and give you a lot of money. Now, before I jump into more details, first I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on notification bell so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. As you know, I'm always posting different videos about earning money online, and you probably don't want to miss any of those new opportunities that might change your life. Now let's get over to the site that is going to help us out earn money today. And that is called Clickmeter. You can find it very easily by searching up on Google. Clickmeter.com is worldwide available, and also it's for free. So no investment will be required from you, no money, nothing at all. So guys, let me explain a little bit what is Clickmeter. Here might come businesses, people, or people who are interested to open a business, but mostly business people, let's say, because they want to monitor, compare, and optimize all of their marketing links in one place to increase the conversion rate. So the conversion rate is the clicks that someone can get through an ad. Now guys, here a business can keep a track of their ads and their marketing ads, marketing links, to see how many clicks do they get, how many people do they reach out, and how much money they can make through those ads. So this is why Clickmeter is one of the best tracking ever, because it can help them out a lot to increase their incomes and to help them out. Now guys, business people, we are talking about a target which is business people, so you know they're willing to pay a lot of money in order to reach out more clients. So we have different profiles of business here, like agencies, affiliates, advertisers, and publishers too. So guys, we are not here to keep a track of our business because we don't have one. But if you by chance have, of course, I will totally recommend to you Clickmeter because it's one of the best. But we are here because we are going to use the affiliate program that Clickmeter offers for us. So go to the end of the page and click on affiliate program. And here you can get all of the information that you need. Join the Clickmeter's affiliate program. Earn up to 90% commission per each sale, promoting the best link tracking service. 19% is such a big amount of right scale. So tell me where you have seen this big number over here in any other sites. Never. Like, who is that site that will give you the opportunity to offer so much commissions? Well, we have seen 50, 60, but 19, it's very big number. So Clickmeter is willing to give you a lot of money just for helping them out. You're going to get unlimited earning potential, dedicated affiliate team to assist, free affiliate membership, so no investment of money will be required from you. Sign up today, refer a customer and earn. Recommend Clickmeter through your website, email list, social networks, blogs, articles, and banners too. You're going to earn up to $891 for a single sale. Hundreds of affiliates, webmasters, agencies, publishers, and pure web lovers join their affiliate program every month. How does it work? Visitors enters their website, clicks the banner, purchase, and you get paid. Getting started is really simple. So first of all, you need to sign up and create your account. Select your marketing materials, publish it online, and get paid for every purchase. If you want to get more information, you can contact them and ask questions. Now, let's have a look to the most frequently asked questions about this affiliate program. So how you can join? Well, you have to complete this simple form over here. which is choose a username, password, country, and you can see that it's worldwide available, and confirm the password. Now let's see a little bit what is Clickmeter. Clickmeter helps marketers and professional affiliates get the most from their links. It allows them to monitor, compare, and optimize all their links in one place to increase conversion rates. With more than 100 incredible features, earn 80% for each sale. So guys, these are the information that you need in order to share with the people in order to convince them. So have in mind this information over here when you're going to speak out to people about Clickmeter. So how does the Clickmeter affiliate program works? After sign up, you will be provided with text links, banner ads, and other marketing materials you can use to promote Clickmeter. When someone clicks through your link or banner or cookie set up to remember that you referred that customer. If you sign up for an account within 90 days and become a paying customer, you will earn commissions for that referral. Does it cost anything to become an affiliate? No, it's for free, as I told you. But you cannot refer this to yourself because they will understand that you are trying to do spam and they will not allow you. And you can earn even if you don't live in United States. Now guys, if you're wondering how much you're going to earn because we saw that the commission is really high, you can go to the pricing sections. And here you can see the different prices of different packages that they offer. So the first package is the medium package, which is only $30 per month. The large one is $100 per month and extra large is $350 per month. Now with the medium one, you are going to check out that you are going to earn $20 per month, which is a lot, right? Now with the large, you are going to get $90 per, not per month, but per each client that you are going to get. And with this one, you are going to get $250 per each client, then sign-ups for extra large. So guys, have in mind that going for the extra large package since the beginning might be a little bit difficult, but you can reach out for the medium and large one. Because even with these two, you are going to get a lot of payments. So guys, now you're probably wondering to yourself where you are going to find the people to make you earn money. So we need business people, right? But we need the ones that are using ads to promote their business so they can, of course, give us the opportunity to promote their business. So what you will have to do is use Google. Just go over to Google and search up for a particular country and for a particular business. It can be anywhere, guys. You don't have to focus on New York or inside United States because you can, of course, decide for every city that you might think in every part of the country. And guys, you can also choose whatever business that might come up to your mind. It can be gyms, it can be coffee shop, it can be barber shop, it can be hairdresser, everything that might come and pop up to your mind. So what you will have to do is search up on Google, and there you're going to see a list of different businesses. Now what you will have to do is just check if they have a website. Now the ones that have put an advertisement that you can check out by yourself here, this is the ones that we are interested because they want to keep a track of their advertising. So click on the website over here and you're going to be directed to their website. Click on the contact part and here you have the email. Copy the link of the email and now send them an email by showing them all of the information and all of the benefits of Clickmeter. So as soon as they are going to become part of it, you're going to receive money. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.